Hi everyone, today I will show you our new VIBRA 5. The Profound VIBRA series is mainly used for monitoring vibrations related to construction work. I will briefly showcase what's inside this box. The VIBRA 5 comes in this beautiful box. The box looks sleek and is most importantly compact. If we compare this to the packaging of the VIBRA 4 that came in a suitcase, it looks like this. As you can see, the case of the VIBRA 4 is a lot larger than the case of the VIBRA 5. The VIBRA 5 is therefore a lot easier to transport.
The new product boasts a design that is characterized by its stiffness, imparting a robust structure that ensures longevity and reliability. The smooth surfaces not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to a user-friendly and tactile experience. The solid construction provides a sturdy foundation, ensuring the product's resilience and overall performance. In my opinion, the product has a beautiful design. It is easy to hold in place and has unobtrusive colors. It has one connector, unlike its predecessor with 3 connectors. This one is easier to use. On the underside you will see hardened feet. These feet are located at the back to absorb contact with an uneven surface and to reduce wear and tear on the plastic housing. It comes with a fast charger, mounting screw and a magnet. The fixing screw is there to place the VIBRA vertically at the base of your foundation. The magnet is for starting up the VIBRA. At startup, the VIBRA immediately makes contact with the portal. Keep your eyes peeled for more information about connectivity and how the VIBRA works.